What does it actually take to become a quant on Wall Street? A lot of people imagine complicated formulas, supercomputers, and people staring at charts all day. And yes, there is some of that, but the real skill set is actually much more structured. First, you need strong mathematics. That usually means probability, statistics, linear algebra, calculus, and optimization. You do not need to know every theorem ever written, but you do need to understand uncertainty, relationships between variables, and how models behave. Second, you need programming. Python is probably the most useful language to start with. You should be comfortable working with data, building models, testing ideas, and automating analysis. Depending on the role, C++, SQL, or R can also matter. Third, you need finance knowledge. A quant is not just a mathematician. You need to understand what you are modeling. That may include stocks, options, bonds, interest rates, a portfolio risk, market microstructure, or derivatives pricing. Fourth, you need data skills. Real-world data is messy. You need to know how to clean it, test it, and avoid fooling yourself. A model can look amazing in the past and completely fail in the real world because of overfitting, bad assumptions, or data leakage. Fifth, you need to understand risk. Good quants do not just ask, how much can this strategy make? They also ask, what happens when the market changes? That means thinking about volatility, drawdowns, tail risk, correlation, and stress testing. Sixth, you need communication skills. This part is underrated. You may build a very sophisticated model, but if you cannot explain what it does, why it works, and where it can fail, people will not trust it. So what background do quants usually have? Common paths include mathematics, statistics, computer science, engineering, physics, economics, or finance. Advanced degrees can help, especially for research-heavy roles, but they are not the only path. Projects matter too. Build trading models, analyze real data sets, create a portfolio optimization project, test a factor strategy. Show that you can take an idea from theory to code to results. And here's the most important point. There is no single quant job. Some quants build trading strategies, some price derivatives, some manage risk, some work in execution, research, or machine learning. So before learning everything, decide what type of quant role you actually want. The easiest way to remember the skill set is math, coding, finance, data, risk, and communication. You do not need to master all of it on day one, but you do need enough depth to solve hard problems and enough judgment to know when your model might be wrong.